If you're seeing Facebook error code 368, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few simple fixes you can try right now to get back into Facebook and start using it normally again. This is a common access or temporary restriction issue, and in many cases, it can be solved with a few quick troubleshooting steps. So if this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, the easiest thing to try is clearing your browsing data. Over time, your browser can store old cookies, cached files, and corrupted session data that may trigger login or loading problems on Facebook. Open your browser settings, go to Privacy or History, and clear your browsing data. Make sure to remove cached images and files, cookies, and site data if possible. After that, close the browser completely and reopen it. Then try Facebook again. If the error still appears, refresh the page by pressing F5. Sometimes Facebook just needs a simple reload to reconnect properly and clear a temporary glitch. It may seem basic, but it is often the fastest fix. Next, check your internet connection. A weak, unstable, or interrupted connection can cause Facebook to display strange errors, especially if the site cannot fully load or verify your session. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data if you're on a phone, or restart your router if you're on a computer. You can also test another website to make sure your connection is working normally. Another useful step is to log out and log back in again. If your current session has become unstable, signing out can reset the connection between your account and Facebook servers. After logging out, wait a few seconds, then sign in again and see if the error is gone. Sometimes a fresh login is all it takes. If none of that works, disable your browser extensions. Certain extensions, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, or security add-ons, can interfere with Facebook and trigger access errors. Open your browser's extension manager and temporarily turn them off. Once they're disabled, reload Facebook and check whether the problem is fixed. If it is, you can turn the extensions back on one by one to find the one causing the issue. If you're still getting error code 368 after trying all of these steps, the issue may be related to Facebook's own security systems or a temporary restriction on the account. In that case, it's a good idea to wait a little while and try again later, and also make sure your account activity follows Facebook's community guidelines. So to recap, clear your browsing data, refresh the page with F5, check your internet connection, log out and log back in, and disable browser extensions. These steps solve the issue for many users and are the safest first things to try. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.